Next is this super pretty. Next is this super pretty. Okay, I finally said it right. Hi all, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing some elevated basics that I found. Lately, I've been leaning towards more minimalist and also more casual looks because of what I do. I'm usually at school, so I need some pieces that are not only school friendly but also very comfortable because of the weather in the Philippines. It is crazy right now, but of course, I still want to look stylish while being comfortable, and Halara is the perfect brand for that. This video is sponsored by Halara. Thank you so much, Halara, for sending me all of these pieces. I'm so grateful. But of course, all of the opinions are my honest thoughts about the products that I chose, as always. You can use my code ALICE or ALICE15 to save 15% off of full-price Halara items. All of the item links will be in the description box down below, as well as their sizes. For size reference, I'm 5'3" and I'm wearing a size XS for most of my pieces. Halara has so much more sizes and styles available in their website, from casual wear, active wear, even formal wear. And of course, they are size inclusive and they have so much more colors to choose from. So I highly recommend checking out their website. The link will be in the description box down below. Also, Halara has the Halara Circle campaign, which you can actually join and get free products from them in exchange for your honest feedback. So you're basically going to be shaping Halara's future and the products that you want to see from them. And it's for free. So who doesn't want free clothes, right? So the link will be in the description box as well, so you can check that out if you want to join the Halara Circle campaign. Now, without further ado, let me show you guys the pieces that I chose from Halara. First up, I got these two tops, which I was actually super skeptical about because it looks odd, like, on the hanger. But this is how it looks when you wear it. Like, it's so nice, so flattering. I got it in two colors. I thought I was gonna regret it when I first got it because I didn't try it on yet. But Halara proved me wrong, and they always come out on top. I got white and this baby blue color as well. The fabric is also so nice and breathable. Like, I was shook when I got this. It's so nice. The baby blue color is so refreshing as well. I'm actually really glad that I got it in two colors because I feel like I'm going to be reaching for these two a lot. The design is so cool. Basically, you fold these over one another and then they create that design at the front. And then at the back, you basically just button them up. So both sides, they come with two holes on one side. And then the other side comes with two buttons. So you can actually adjust how they fit on your waist. It makes your waist look so good, and also your hips, especially when you pair it with trousers or pants from Halara. And I am so glad that I got these two. I paired the tops with these trousers. They are in a navy color. I actually have these in XS, but I got them in medium because I wanted them to fit more low-waisted, and they still fit well, but like just around my hip area because the measurement of the size medium is my hip measurement. So that's what I based it on. By the way, Halara's size chart is super accurate, so make sure you base on that. For me, if I wear a size XS for them, it's gonna fit right on my waistline. But because I did size up, I wanted it to fit on my hip area, and it's so accurate. It looks really good still. And this is also in a size petite. That's also one thing about Halara's pants that I love. They are size inclusive, and that's not just with their size range, but also the height. So mine, I usually get it in a size petite because I'm 5'3". So if you're 5'3" and below, I would recommend a petite. And then they also have regular and the tall version. So even the tall girlies can enjoy the Halara pants. And these are so comfortable. Like, imagine wearing work pants but being comfortable like you're wearing sweatpants. This is what it is all about. I love it so much. As you can see, it's super stretchy and it's also very breathable. The fabric is so nice. It comes with two pockets, two at the front. Both sides have pockets, and they also have this belt loop. But take note though that there is no belt loop at the back. So just make sure that you have a belt that caters to that, or otherwise you would like to wear it without a belt, because I personally don't like belts when I wear pants. So I personally just like it as is. The waist is also super stretchy and comfy, and the back has these fake pockets for that fitted silhouette. Next, I have another top that I did not actually expect to love as much as I did because it is so nice. It's so flattering. The back design is gorgeous. And this also has built-in padding already. So it sort of has a sports bra situation. So you can wear this for active wear to the gym or for casual wear if you want to layer with it, which is what I did when I styled it. I love how flexible this top is, and I want to get it in more colors because I feel like this is so easy to layer. A basic top like this is something that you can never go wrong with styling, and the fit of it is just beautiful, so it just elevates it even more. And the fact that it has built-in padding makes it much easier, so you don't have to wear a bra when you're wearing this top. It also has a cute little Halora logo at the back. This is what I paired that beautiful top with. This is so nice. I actually did not expect to love it so much because I don't have a blazer in this color yet, so I didn't know if it would be flattering on me. But the fit of it is so good. And take note though, you can't button this up. So it's really just to cover up and to add some style into your outfit. For the office, this is something that I would highly recommend. And also for business conferences and such. And the buttons are so nice. I love that it's gold also, so it matches with any jewelry that I have because I usually lean towards gold, especially for more chic outfits. The fit of it is also really nice because it has these lines over here. So it does accentuate your waist, and you know we love that. And also the length is just perfect because sometimes blazers can be too long, like on the arm, but this one fits just right. Love this. I got this in a size XS. Definitely stick to your size when you get this. I paired those pieces with this beautiful skirt. This actually reminds me of like the previous trend of vintage style, like around 2019 or something. Why am I saying it like I'm that old? Anyway, I was like 14 at the time or something. Now let's get back to the piece. But anyway, this was so nostalgic for me, this print. But it's coming back. And it's also perfect for the fall season, which is why I got this. This is something that you can wear for casual wear and also for the office if you're not that strict with like skirt lengths. But this one, it's so nice. And it also has built-in shorts already, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. That's why I love Halora skirts because they're so practical. So I love that Halora always keeps the girlies in mind. The fabric is nice and thick as well. And it's also very stretchy, as you can see. I got this in a size XS as well, and it fits around the mid-waist area, which I love. I can also pull it up to be high-waisted, but I personally like mid-waist skirts more, so I just pull it down. So I love how flexible this can be worn as well. I've actually already worn this, and I've shown it on my Instagram already. Next is this super pretty white sweater. I love this for fall and the rainy season, which is why I got this. And also, I was not expecting to like this anymore because the first time that I tried it, the V-neck is actually much deeper than I expected. Like, it's really down here, which maybe you would like that. But personally, I don't really like to wear such revealing cuts. So you really do need to wear it with something underneath if you're like me and you want to be a little more modest. So I would wear it with a tank top or a tube top underneath, or actually even a collared shirt underneath. That would look super pretty with this. I love pairing this with the tank top because it looks so chic, especially if you move it to the side. Since the cut is pretty deep, you can move it around. So I really love the fit of it. The back is longer than the front, and it has cute cuts on the sides as well. So this is definitely a good basic to have, whether for fall or for the rainy season, and even for the upcoming winter for some of you guys. The fabric of this is super cozy and stretchy as well. It's actually pretty breathable, so I feel like I can still get away with wearing this in the summer. Next up are these corduroy pants. These are so cool. It's been a while since I've picked up some corduroy pieces from Halora. They actually have more like skirts as well. This is so good. The fabric is thick yet breathable. It's so comfy. I want to pair this with another top that I have from them, which is also navy. If I don't want to wear an all black outfit, an all navy outfit is just as chic. I still love my black outfits though, don't get me wrong. There are no pockets at the back, but it has this beautiful design here, and it actually really does accentuate the bum area, so it's super flattering. Plus, the fabric is so stretchy. The waistband is really comfy and stretchy, and even this material here, it's a little bit stretchy as well. It's perfect for uni and for loungewear as well, and also for the office if you're not that strict with dress codes. This is such a good pair. But I would definitely wear this more for casual wear and for loungewear. Finally, I paired this top with this beautiful flex denim pants. There's not a Halara video of mine without flex denim pants because I love their flex denim line. It's one of my favorite collections from them. This top is really nice because I can wear it for summer and also for layering. I got this because I wanted a cute off-shoulder top. They actually have a long sleeve version of this as well and one in black. So I just got it in white because I feel like I can use it a lot more. The bag is also really nice and flattering. Also, this has built-in padding so you don't need to wear a bra with it, which is just perfect, especially since the back is also a bit low. So it fits a lot more and it's a lot more seamless just to have the padding already. Also, take note that all of the padding from Halara is removable if you don't like it. These are the flex denim pants which I paired them with. They have a functional button and zip closure which I love because they actually look like real denim, but it's way better than real denim because it's stretchy. Like, where can you see such a good pair of denim pants that can stretch and move with you wherever the day takes you? Because usually denim pants are very hot and also they are very stiff, so it's not comfortable. For me personally, I don't wear denim for that reason, except if it's Halara Flex denim. So I love it. It's super chic yet super comfy. The back is also so nice because it has two functional pockets. It also has this beautiful Halara logo at the back. And this V-cut really flatters the hips and also the bum area, which is why I really love these pants. I already have these in a few colors, like this exact pair. I have it in black and I think in light blue as well. So I got a darker version for the fall and rainy season. And of course, it also has two pockets at the front. I also got a size XS Petite for the flex denim pants. So that's it for today's try-on haul. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Again, all of the product links will be in the description box as well as the sizes, as well as the information for the Halara Circle campaign. If you want to join that, you can use my code ALICE or ALICER to save 15% off of full price Halara items. If you guys want to see how I would style these pieces from Halara and some more style inspo, you can follow and keep in touch with my social media accounts. It's Alice Roma for all of my socials. Thank you so much again for watching today's video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!